We adopted a kitty cat. Her name is Sofia. As you can see on here, this is her first day with us, and she is a bundle of joy. She came from Ecuador, so we adopted her from there. And then this is she was brought in by Sebastian last month, May of 2022. So now let's see the toys, because I'm kind of like, I have this one, the toys from Whisker City. I don't know if we need some scratching surface inside out. What do you think? Because we're kind of like new to this one. I think he already has she has the protection already. I think we need to do another one of it, and then we need to get some health and wellness. So we're getting the scissors, and then also the brush. And then for this one, we already got this one from IKEA. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this one. Cute. Look how cute this is. There's a lot of feeders and waters. Nice, huh? Oh, that one is $59. Yeah, so it's cute. Oh, these are the scratchers. It's kind of like, because she started scratching the sofa. I don't like that. And probably this one will prevent her doing so. Baby. Huh? What do you mean? Hi. Look at those. Hi. Wow, he's thirsty. And then there's like the reptiles. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. Oh, and betta fishes. Oh, nice. Oh, the one I want next is goldfishes. Oh, this is dead already. Sorry. We're gonna go there next. Who loves pets? Here's your pets. The one I like is this. It's $9.99. The black one. That one right there. Or if you want this, $33.99. Oh my gosh, that's so expensive. Or you could just have the small ones. $4.99, $5.99, $6.99. Ooh, look at this. $16.99. Huh? Sorry, baby. Hi. So cute. This one or that one? This one. This one. So we're looking for the litter boxes right now. So this one is an automatic one, and it's $199.99. This one is a small one, but it's $63. The one that we're getting is this one, and it's $71. That's an automatic one, $220. The same as this one. Yeah. Now we're getting some colors, and then toys. Ooh. Look at the toys. So they have a lot of stuff. $4, $3. And then this one, we don't need it right now, but you know, the furniture. And then this is the cleaning solutions that we're supposed to have if ever. Yeah. So right now we're kind of like contemplating of what to get. So there's foods and snacks on the side. And then yeah, I like this one, the feather one. So cat foods and treats. Brushing their teeth. Then canned foods. So yeah, shopping. Look at the cats. Hi, look at this one. Hi. Oh, look at her. If you want to adopt her, $40. Or her. This one is cute. Hi. Oh, she's a baby. Hi. Uh-huh. So that one is $34. $27, $46. They have this one. Oh, Nacho Libre. And if you want natural balance, it's $2.29. And then this is the one that he's kind of like thinking it's good because it only has like 4 ingredients, 100% natural. This one has 4 simple ingredients, 100% natural, only 24 calories, pure flaked tuna and shrimp. Yum.
So we bought this one, this accessory for the like a necklace, and we will just try to engrave it with the machine.
Yeah.
So definitely it's a country of the option in USA because we don't have that in my country. So let's see. So how you do that? You open the
package,
pack, I guess. Package.
Now hold on. Touch to begin. Okay, you know you're gonna scan it first, baby.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what's it? Oh, the receipt.
Recibo. Where's the recibo? We're getting the receipt. Hold on.
Is it? No.
Yeah. T1.
So T1
566. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Oh.
What do you want on the front? Front is just the name.
Okay, so Sofia.
Yeah. FI. Yeah. Okay, and then
Continue.
continue. How do you want it?
Like that, no?
Yeah.
Or this one? What do you put?
Yeah, it's fine. The back. Oh, okay.
What do we put in the back?
Um.
Can we put the address? No?
Yeah.
It's too long, no?
You can make 4 lines.
Oh,
Probably.
so
Yeah.
36, 21.
So this is what we have already, and then this one. Okay. And then continue, and then there you go. We're going to put that one on here. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So first is you're going to put it like that.
It's hot.
Yeah. And then align it. Yes. And then the pin should be sticking out. Yeah.
And with the line too.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it?
And then that's it. And then you're gonna close it. Engrave. And press engrave. Voila. Oh, let's see. Oh wow.
It's laser.
Oh, that's the address. Here you go. Oh, nice. No, we need to have a tag. She doesn't have a collar. This weekend and weekend. And oh, that's it. Wow. How much is this? $9.99. There you go.
And the address on the
Yeah. Nice. There you go. Tagworks. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment below, and like this video to see more of Sofia, our adopted little kitty cat. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again. Bye. We love you all.